Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most stunning homes across the United States, from coast to coast, from the beaches of Florida to the skyline of California. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss a single dream home tour. Today, we're bringing you something truly extraordinary, a completely renovated luxury estate located in the prestigious Quail West community of Naples, Florida. Priced at an impressive $6,995,000, this magnificent residence is a masterpiece of American architecture, combining modern elegance with timeless design. As the camera glides across the driveway, you're greeted by the waving American flag, proudly displayed above the property, a true symbol of the American dream. The home's red and white color scheme perfectly reflects that patriotic spirit, giving it both warmth and grandeur. Step inside, and the magic begins. The entrance opens into a grand foyer filled with natural light and soaring ceilings. Every inch of this 4,972 square foot home is designed for luxury, comfort, and style. From the European oak hardwood floors to the massive windows that bathe every room in sunlight, this home feels alive. Let's begin our tour with the living room, a spacious and inviting space with soft white walls, red accent furniture, and a wall-mounted flat-screen TV. The lighting is modern, the textures are rich, and the atmosphere is pure luxury. This is where comfort meets class. Moving next to the kitchen, it's every chef's dream come true. Featuring high-end appliances, pure white cabinetry, polished marble countertops, and a stunning red backsplash that ties the theme together. The oversized island serves as the perfect spot for casual breakfasts or evening wine sessions with friends. Just beyond, the dining area connects seamlessly, featuring a grand chandelier and a breathtaking view of the outdoor pool. The open concept design gives you both elegance and practicality, perfect for entertaining guests or hosting family dinners. Now, let's talk about the master bedroom, a retreat that defines relaxation. The spacious design includes a king-size bed, soft lighting, and wide glass doors that open directly to the pool area. The ensuite bathroom is equally impressive, with a freestanding bathtub, steam shower, dual sinks, and a mirror that lights up like a Hollywood dressing room. Up next, the home office and TV lounge, designed with creativity and comfort in mind. Red and white accents continue here, keeping the American aesthetic consistent throughout. Whether you're working from home or watching your favorite series, these rooms offer tranquility and focus. Step outside to discover one of the most beautiful outdoor entertainment areas in Southwest Florida. A massive resort-style pool with a jacuzzi, water features, and a perfectly landscaped yard. There's a full outdoor kitchen and bar covered with Taj Mahal granite, making it the ultimate place to relax or throw a summer party. As the drone camera pans out, you see the full property, almost 1 acre of manicured land surrounded by palm trees and a beautiful golf course view. The architecture, the landscaping, and the attention to every detail make this home stand out as one of Naples' finest. Listed by the Grant Group, the #1 Coldwell Banker team in Southwest Florida, this home offers more than just a place to live, it's a statement of success and elegance. The Grant Group is known for their exceptional service and expertise in luxury real estate, helping clients find not just houses, but true dream homes. Before we end, let's take one last look at this magnificent estate, the red and white contrast glowing in the sunset, the American flag waving proudly above, and the luxurious pool reflecting the golden light. It's not just a home, it's a vision of beauty, sophistication, and the very essence of the American dream. If you loved this tour, make sure to like this video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and share it with your friends who love beautiful homes. For more incredible real estate tours, stay tuned, because the next dream home could be yours.